This question has been taken from the review exercise of book number 3. And what we get over here is a three circular diagram in front of you guys. You can see that A, B, and C are three circles which are sharing some of their parts to one another, and we are going to find them out. So now if I look at the class strength, it has become 13 now. Good to see you all. And for these three circular diagrams, either you will be using the compasses, because every question you will be needing a different diagram over here. So every question you will be needing a different diagram over here. And let us start with this number one, question number one. So it says A union B whole complement intersection C. Now, the very first thing is when you are going to solve these type questions, and I'm going to, highlight it a little over here, that when you are solving the questions and you are getting these type of shapes or diagrams with you, so fill them with some random number. You can write any number anywhere, but make sure once you write the numbers, it will be applicable on all of them. You cannot change the figure. You cannot change the number pattern. So if you are writing one over here, make sure that it remains one over here till the 10th diagram. So now I am going to fill the numbers with some random numbers over here. So this is one, and this part which is over here, I'm writing it two over here, writing three over here, I'm writing four over here, and I'm writing five over here, and I'm writing six over here, I'm writing seven over here, I'm writing eight over here. I'm sure that you can see the picture easily. If you have any problems looking at the picture, then what I'm going to do is just wait a second, and I'm going to take the picture over here. Yes, like this. And then I'm going to display in front of you. So I'm going to do it. Now you see it yourself. Now you can see that there is this picture. You can see now there's this picture here, and two over here, and three over here, and four over here, and five over here, and six over here, and seven over here, and eight over here. You can see that eight spaces were there, and I, filled them all. One is there, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, and over here, the very first thing will be you will write the set for the epsilon now. So the set of the epsilon will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I chose the numbers and I wrote them over here. If someone wants 1 to be written in place of 5, then make that diagram once. Okay. Once there will be a choice, and then you need to solve all the questions regarding it. So if I look at set A over here, and I can see the numbers which are in A, and they are 1, 2, 4, and 5. They are like this. Why are we doing it? What is the benefit of doing it? You will come to know soon. So stay tuned. B set. If I ask you about B set, and you can see 2, 3, 5, and 6, always numerical in order. Always numerical in order. And C is like 4, 5, 6, and 7. You have found out all the universal set is here. Set A is here, B is here, and C is here. For the students who have just joined us, I must tell them that I'm solving question number 12 of the review exercise over here. The thing is, be careful about it. So it's A, B, and C. Over here, that in the question, it was mentioned that first of all, you need to find out this A union B whole complement intersection C. A union B whole complement intersection C. Whole complement intersection C. And I'm going to solve this in front of you guys. So what I'm going to do, I am going to find out A union B first. Now look at it over here. I'm going to find out A union B first. So what is the meaning of A union B? I am going to unite the set of A and B. And when I do it, union, so what will it become? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B is here in front of you. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I do? I unite them all without repeating any element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 was written twice, so I wrote it once. Okay? 5 was written twice, so I wrote it once. So now A union B, I found it out. Now the next step is I'll find out A union B whole complement. The meaning of A union B whole complement is universal minus A union B. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the set of universal over here. So the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract what I've got for A union B, and I'll subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when I'm going to subtract it, I am going to get what? 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
So 7 and 8, I got it. And now I have found out A union B whole complement. Now I'm going to intersect it with C. So what I'm going to do is I'll write A union B whole complement and intersection C. For that, I'll be writing 7 and 8 over here because this is the result of A union B whole complement with the sign of intersection. And I'll write 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll write 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. And you know this thing that the meaning of complement, the meaning of intersection is to find out the common. So what is common both of them?
7.
7 is common in both of them. And my dear students, what are you going to do? You are going to highlight this 7 and you are going to shade it. Look at it. I shaded Mr. 7 completely. A intersection C whole complement union B. And if I write it over here, A intersection C whole complement union B. Now this is the second question over here, and let make sure that I have written this question right. So it's A intersection C whole complement union B, and I have written the same thing. Okay. So now again I have got the data. Acha, you can see that I'm not changing the numbers. I'm not changing the numbers over here because one model diagram should be fixed, and then you will be solving all the questions. Do not touch the numbers within the diagram. They'll remain the same. Okay. So A intersection C whole complement, I'm going to find out A intersection C first. So when I see the commons in A and C, and I find out that only A and C, 4 and 4 are common in them, and 5 and 5 are common in them. So A intersection C will be 4 and a 5. Okay? And what I'll do, the next step, I'll find out the whole complement of them, which means universal minus A intersection C. So how will I write it? The universal set is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what I'm going to do, I'll put the sign of minus and I'll write 4 and 5 over here. So what will be my answer? It will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8. Remember, 4 and 5 have been cut out. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 is my answer of A intersection C whole complement. And then what I'm going to do, I am going to find out A intersection C whole complement with a union of B. It means I am going to write 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to unite it with B. So it is going to be 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, it will be 2, 3, 5, 6. So when I unite them all, it will be 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be my answer. And what I'll do, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8. I am going to shade it all. Okay? But I'll not be touching 4 anywhere. So this is how I am shading it in front of you guys, and I am making sure that you have understood that how to shade it. And then if I go to the third part of it, and the question will be, it will be clear that actually it's not allowing me to, go any further for that. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to take this picture again, and I'm going to, um, you know, mm, paste it over here again, but I need to keep the numbers in my mind that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now this was the figure in front of you guys. Okay, and I highlighted it again over here, and I wrote the numbers in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then 8. So I already mentioned that it is compulsory for you to number them, and then you can find out the answer in this way. Okay. So if you are, you are not writing them in the order, so it's not a problem. It's not a problem if you are not writing them in the order. You know what you need to do is look at it. If you are starting number one from here now, one, and then you are writing two, and then writing three, and then write four, and then write five, and then six, and then seven, and then eight. So what do you need to do in every figure? You will be writing the data in a different way, like this. Look at epsilon is the same, but over here now the A is going to become 4, 5, 6, 7. So the data is going to be like this. The B1 will be 1, 2, 4, 6 now, and C will be 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So if you are changing the numbers in the figure, that make sure that you are arranging your data in the same way. ठीक है ना? So now we are going to solve the next question, and that is question number 3 over here. It is A union B intersection C. Uh, A union B intersection C. This is the question. So this is easy for me. So easy for us all. A union B, and I'm going to unite the element of A and B, and then I'm going to get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and I'm going to close the bracket. And when I see that A union B, and I need to find the intersection with C, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'll be writing the sign of intersection, and I'll intersect it with 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the answer over here? The answer will be intersecting will be 2 and 4 and 5. Okay, this will be the intersection, the answer of A union B intersection C. So this will be the part 2, 4, 5. So wherever you see 2, 4 and 5, 2, 4 and 5, you can see them here, 2, 4 and 5, and you are going to shade them, 2, 4 and 5. Look at it. I shaded the whole thing, 2, 4 and 5 over here. 2, 4 and 5. I am repeating it again so that you may understand that what exactly happened. Wherever you found a 2, 4 and 5, you highlighted them and you shaded them each other. And over here I am going to end up my class. Hope you enjoyed it.